Hello to all the buyers on the Stocklear platform. I am very happy to be with you today live from the Lairs warehouse in the north of France to present a new batch from Grover. Grover, which you may already know, is a major seller retailer on the Stocklear platform, a German retailer that offers high-tech products for rent to individuals. So products that are rented between 0 and 5 years with an average rental period of 3 years. These products then return to us on the platform in different conditions, from new with original packaging to non-functional, including functional use. These are the major conditions you will find in this type of lot. Above all, pay close attention to these qualities. The blue bubbles, they really define the quality, and it's very important because it will give you an idea of the product's quality upon arrival. Today, we are going to present a lot of VR headsets, so virtual reality mostly, at least from what we will look at from Meta. So Meta Quest 1, Meta Quest 2. So there are a lot of them. We see that the products have been checked because there are little post-its that describe the quality a bit, whether there are accessories or not, etc. And we opened one here randomly, completely randomly. So original packaging for 95% of the cases. The product seems to be in really good condition. Here we have a small box with the charger and the manual. Next, we have the headset, which seems to be of very good quality. So I don't see any apparent scratches on the lenses. I don't know what they're called, but there you go. No, so the product is not damaged, not dirty, not broken. It was probably cleaned before arriving to us. There is just, for example, the strap, the band to fix on the head is missing. Potentially, it would be a part to buy. But overall, the product is of very good quality. The original packaging and 3/4 of the accessories are present, even 90%. Especially make sure to read and download the Excel file for each lot. It allows you to have a description of each product, all the information you need to study the lots. And if you have any questions, feel free to chat with us at the bottom right of your screen on the blue bubble. You can also request a call back if you have questions. We will be happy to do so. We wish you a good study of the offers and very good auctions. See you soon.